Hey, what's up, Hey, listen. State to state, I'm always on my shit, sitting back thinking about a lick and who to try and hit. Bro hit the phone and told me come quick, so I hopped in that CLK foreign whip, called my dip, told I needed a ride quick, take this trip to go get these bricks. She told me listen, I'ma go in. When I call the phone, you and your friends bust in. So we made it, we hit them in, hopped out, even got a couple dividends out the crib. Had to put one in his head, couldn't let him live. I even shot his kids. Damn, now I'm looking real crazy, face all upside down, it's like a maze, see, the way I move in your house like a mouse, niggas mad in the bitch, I knew them bricks was in that couch, so I pointed out, and then my bro, yeah, he ripped it out, took everything, even tried to take the house. Whew. So the nigga got mad. Next thing you know, them bullets start to fucking crash fast at his facial structure. I ain't give a damn. Told this nigga chill for this hammer just jam all over this place. Nigga, you can't touch this, cause I'm the nicest nigga, flipping like butter, bitch. Whew. And I'm hard though. No homo. Where the fuck is Waldo? That's what niggas asking. Where's John though? I tell them niggas he gone, so it's sitting it, bro. SIDNEY, nigga, that's me. And I don't give a damn, boy. Smoke a quarter key and had them niggas looking like damn what it be. I tell them niggas listen to me, watch me try and sing. Yeah, but I ain't gotta sing to the beat. I can just keep it going, watch me tap my feet. Niggas mad as a bitch, fuck a bitch. And I'ma tell you like this, I bust on your tit, you lick it up, you nasty bitch, you trifling as a fucking hit. I don't give a fuck, niggas already know this. That boy don't give a damn. Nigga always outside till that morning, man. I go out at 9 and then I come back at 5, and next thing you know my pockets just ain't looking right. Them boys mad, but it's all good. I'ma tell you like this, that boy hood. All that shit was off the top of the dome. The beat looped around, so I'ma keep it going on. Niggas mad than the bitch, boy, flowing long. Niggas looking at me like that boy get gone. I ain't going nowhere. I'ma keep it going, boy, like I'm out there. What you want? Tell your baby mama stop calling the phone, cause she called me last night. I told her this, go ahead, I'ma come and suck some tits, but you better know what you're sucking dick, till I bust all in your shit. I'm a nasty boy. I'm nasty boy. I don't give a fuck, and it's all good, cause I'm the only nigga in this hood that ain't from here. I'm a new breed. Niggas looking at me like, who is he? Spike Lee? Nah, that ain't me, but I got my own movement like damn I should be what it is, rolling through them streets. 3rd Ward, 4th Ward, where I be. 5th Ward, even in them streets. And I was even out Trinity Garden Street, got some goons who don't know what to do, cause they had it all, then they fell down, now they mad now, cause I pushed them back, and I'm moving pounds, racks on racks on racks on racks on racks now, niggas looking like damn boy, I'm tall as Shaq now, you understand, I ain't backing down from no niggas, fuck you now, yeah, all good, lonely in your own motherfucking damn hood, shouldn't be that way. I don't know why these niggas out here trying to say what they wanna say. Yeah, you mad cause a nigga don't wanna pick you up, nigga. I just laugh when you call the phone asking shit about a 20 lick. I tell you like this, boy, that shit wicked, cause it ain't even right. If it was, nigga, you would've hit that lick that night, when you called up the phone, trying to get me come over, nigga, leave me alone, cause I'm all in my zone, diamonds in my mouth, and I'm chillin' at home, yeah. And I don't give a damn, boy. I don't give a damn about nobody that making noise.